Hello, doctor. My name is Zhou Shuyu, and this is my PSM1 project proposal, a restaurant inventory and order management system. Okay, I will talking problem background, project objectives, market market case study, effect of problem, and proposed solution. First is problem background. Many small restaurants still rely on manual methods to track inventory and manage orders. This often leads to problems like food waste, stock loss, and order delays. Those ensures not only increase cost but also in fact customer satisfaction. My project aims to address those problems by providing a digital system that offers real-time updates, uh, uh, automates key processes, and supports the restaurant staff in their daily tasks. This project is designed for three main types of users: managers, chefs, and cashiers. Managers need visibility into stock levels and want to automate reordering when items run low. Chefs need to know what uh, ingredients are available in real time so they can prepare orders efficiently. And cashiers need to know if items is available at the time of order and must process transaction quickly. Okay. Next is project objective. This project has three key objectives. First, to uh, invest, investigate the challenges in how restaurants currently manage inventory and process orders. Second one is design and develop a system that enable real-time tracking and seasoning between orders and stock levels. And the third one is to evaluate the system effectiveness by testing how it help reduce waste, improve order accuracy, and speeds up operations. Why the system is needed overall? Because this project will address those user-specific problems through automation and integration, enabling employers to work more efficiently, reduce waste, and improve service quality. Next is Marketman case study. This project referenced a real-world real system is Marketman to justify the need for the restaurant inventory and order management system. Unlike analyze of the exciting inventory and order management practice in a typical small to module-sized restaurant is essential. Many restaurants has transition from manual methods to system like Marketman. Marketman is a application cloud beside the restaurant inventory and order management system. widely need to small to multi-size restaurants. Next is the effect of the problem. First is uh, inconsistent real-time synchronization. Inventory and sales state fall to synchronization prepared leads to overstocking and frustrated customers. Next is time consume setup and uh, maintenance. There's no copy features for similar items, and database management takes too much time from managers. And next is limited customization and integration. It's poor integration with the system like light speed and flexible reports, limit data insights for discussion making. Next is proposed solution. Okay, first is enhance the real-time sig- uh, s- synchronization. Uh, Synchronization with WebSocket technology, like use WebSocket and RESTful apps to ensure instant stock updates. And next is streamlined setup and item management with automation features. Uh, it's simplifying time intensive setup and uh, maintenance. It's like set up without a copy items feature to reduce manual work. Soft delete function preserves data but clear clutter. The last one is uh, customizable. Customizable reporting and seamless integration. Mm, customizable uh, customizable dashboards for uh, usage and vast reports. Okay. That is in conclusion. Restaurant uh, inventory and order management system is a practical system designed to reduce food waste, improve accuracy in orders, and make daily operations more efficient in small restaurants. It also gives me a valuable opportunity to apply system development skills to a real-world scenario with clear user needs and measurable outcomes. I think that's all for my presentation, and thank you for listening.